It's okay. Put it, send it with Amazon. Amazon.
Oh, you go right ahead. You support Amazon. I'll be damned if I am.
All right. Where are you located, my friend? I'm trying to make a contact here. Yeah, you don't talk to strangers, eh?
Everybody stand by. He's trying to make a contact.
Oh, he can hear me. No, I didn't ask you to stand by. I asked you where you are so that we can talk.
We're talking without you knowing where we're at.
I don't know, buddy. I'm in Canada. I'm on my mobile in Toronto, Canada.
Well, I'm sitting in my radio shack.
Which area is that, buddy?
Well, we're south of you, pretty good a piece.
Are you in Texas?
We're pretty far piece off from you. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a lot of stations that we can hear here in Toronto from Texas.
Texas, get a rope.
Where are you? Where are you? What happened? Did your buddy made it to Home Depot?
I don't know about them boys over there in Texas.
Where are you from?
I hear that on the radio over here.
Come on, is it so hard to tell me where you at right now? Wow.
Where'd you say you're at? Where'd you say you're at now?
Me, I'm on in the mobile from Toronto, Canada.
Okay, I'm pointing southeast. My beam is pointing southeast, but I'm getting you pretty good.
Right, thank you for that. My name is Nick. My number is 63. Which area are you, my friend?
Okay, we got covered up out there. 73 City, good luck, yes, and God bless out there. That radio's doing a fine job.
All right, I'll put you guys on YouTube. You can go and watch it after. Check out YouTube for Ontario CB Club. Ontario CB Club on YouTube.
You hear the echo?
These guys can hear me all this time.
I didn't hear an echo in it, but I'm sure he's on the Galaxy then. That's what he was on this morning. He's sounding pretty good.
Unreal. What are they afraid of to tell me where they are? Like, come on. Just making a contact.
Fine big radio.
That's what she said.
Well, you need to define big radio.
These guys can hear me all this time. And he has the beam towards me. Okay. Alright. No biggie.
Oh man, I thought he was going to talk some shit about the women I like. Yeah, you like them 450 pounders? Yeah, them old gals, if they don't tip the scales at 450, they ain't welcome in the door.
Yeah, don't forget to bring a hoist.
Oh man, them little old gals come right over here weighing 350, 375. I just smile and say, have a good day, darling. Here's a 20. They'll get you some Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, don't forget the hoist though. You need a hoist. You need to bring a hoist with you. This guy's keying up on me, huh? Wow. Yeah, he's keying up.
That one rib was over here for a while. She was so big, man, I had to have the crew come over and do something about my floor joist. They was blowing pretty good. They put some extra piers underneath the floor.
Did you bring a bucket truck? With a boom?
Now, do y'all remember that movie Gilbert Grape? Well, she was just as big as Mama.
Oh, God. Oh, God. So where did she go after? See, guys, just a barefoot radio. I don't know if you can see. There's the antenna. And that's it, nothing else.
Well, I'm going to be driving a 07 or an 09 Chevy Duramax, and them some bitches are noisy, man. I got to put a radio in there that's got a noise blanket that actually works.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, so just a barefoot radio, guys. But Mother Nature is on our side. It's beautiful outside, eh? Here's the BMO field. Sorry, my window is not the best. It's not clean. How about now? Yeah, that's where we are. On the mobile. Alright, let's see what these guys are doing. Alright, that's it, guys.